Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be going through my week 2 of my September weekly layout. So this was filmed last year in 2020, so September the 7th to the 13th. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Liv and this is Prolivic Paper. Welcome! So I found this magazine cutout of Nicole Kidman, and I used her also in my monthly spread as well. And I found another advert with her and I thought I could use that again in my weekly spread. So then I was trying to find some stickers to go with that, and I found this sticker called Detoxing Digitally, and I chose it because it matched that light blue of the background that's in the magazine cutout. So I also got my washi tape and matched that light blue. And then I was trying to think, what else could I use with that? And then I also went into my colouring book to see if there was something that I could use, and I had previously coloured in these leaves. So my last video I showed you how I coloured in these leaves, and I thought it was the perfect fall autumn vibe. And yeah, so it's like my kind of DIY stickers in some ways. So it's using the template from the colouring book, and then so I used watercolors to colour these ones in. So I just went ahead and cut that all out. Just slowly cut these out, and the key that I found with cutting things out is trying to keep the scissors more still and then moving the paper around the scissors rather than moving your scissors around the paper. So I like how the Happy Planner added pumpkin spice and all things nice, and the leaves on the bottom of that page. I think that's probably where the whole idea of the leaves came from, because I was like, you know, going through my colouring book and just, yeah, found those leaves and I was like, perfect. That will go really well somewhere in my layout. I can use that, you know. So it gave me a reason to use my colouring book and use those supplies that I have. Yeah, and just kind of make it a little bit more me, a little bit more original. So I started gluing the leaves down with my Tombow Dots adhesive. So I find that this adhesive doesn't ruin the magazine cutout, so you don't have any of that weird glue when you're using wet glue. But I just found it easier to stick down with the Pritt Stick glue So the stickers that I found was Detoxing Chili, Love Your Ways, Loving Life, Remember This. So I was going with that peachy pink tones because I didn't want it to be completely orange. I quite like that kind of fleshy peachy pink tone to kind of, it's like that light pink against the light blue. So I think that really works well together, and it goes with that kind of orange blue color scheme as well. That's, you know, part of this Happy Planner color printed spread. So these black stickers say relaxed, refreshed, recharged, you know, recharged and ready to go back to work or go back to school, get back into your routine. And I also chose good times to reminisce on the summer holiday and, you know, just to give that positivity and good vibes feeling to the spread. And I found another peachy pink sticker. So it kind of goes along with that digital detox saying, and it says no posting, no liking, just living. And also these kind of washi stickers on the roll. I prefer that they were not on a roll, rather than I prefer them to be on a flat sheet, because whenever you're picking at them, it's like they lose their stickiness once you start, you know, picking it out. Yeah, and I find that with the Happy Planner stickers as well, as soon as you pick those ones off the page, it's, you know, it's done. You can't put them back because it just loses its adhesion. Yeah. So I went with that, what's it called? It just looks like there's a coffee shop somewhere in the background. So when I think of fall and autumn, just, yeah, think of like the, you know, back to school, city life, back to work, you know, the weather is starting to turn and the leaves are falling and it's raining and you're trying to hide out in a coffee shop when it's raining. So that was the idea behind that. So I wanted to use my colouring pencils just to give it a little bit of colour and, you know, just practice a little bit with that. Just trying to use some of my stash because I thought markers can be a bit harsh and the colouring pencils is just that light background bit of colour and effect. So I really like how that turned out, just giving it that shading or So let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried using a colouring book to decorate your weekly or monthly spread. Is it just me who's had that idea? let me know. Do you like this idea? Yeah, I quite like it. I like how it turned out. I mean, the leaves are quite large, but they're not too large, so you can still work around it. And yeah, nowadays I think they've made some more floral stickers that are a little bit larger than they used to be. So I love this washi tape that I found. It's just so beautiful. So it's quite large, but I love fashion stickers, illustrations like that. It's just so cute, just gives it that whole new dimension to the page. I think I keep on saying that I would, the next kind of happy planner stickers that I would get would be the Squad Life range, just because of the illustrations of the girls. Yeah, so I found this washi tape locally. So yeah, so she's holding some flowers, but it's almost like she's holding a bunch of leaves that she's about to throw up into the air. And these happy planner stickers I did not get locally, so they're probably the only things that are not local that I had to order online. But I wanted to use up the rest of my stickers, and I was trying to find which colors I could use, and I thought the light blue worked really well against that kind of light pink. So I just stuck a load of those bullet point ones, and then I thought maybe I can add some more bullet points. And I thought that I might never use this beige, greenish beige color. So I thought this is the perfect moment to use those stickers. If I'm ever going to use them, they're going to be used here. So I really like how it turned out. And then I just added a little bit of brown and orange. So it looks a little bit random, but it kind of works. And then I thought, let's just add some gold hearts to the jumper and dress. And then these little stickers almost look like snowflakes, but I was trying to go with sort of that rainfall vibe, like it's starting to rain now. And even though rain isn't orange or green, I just thought it looked really pretty and cute. And then I also wanted to use the same style of those kind of snowfall, rainfall stickers, because I never use those ones for bullet points. I think I've tried before and they've actually fallen off the page, so it's better to use as a decorative thing. And I really like how that turned out. So make it count, remember this, thriving, let's do this, got it, love your ways. Today, pumpkin spice and all things nice, relaxed, refreshed, recharged. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe for more planner videos. See you in the next video. Bye.